Good morning and welcome to day 4. Today I'm going to start with breakfast and Jay's working, so I'm going to be making supper. I'm also prepping up the rice for this afternoon's lunch, which will be, I'm thinking chicken fried rice. We'll see. But anyways, let's get on with the show. So today's dinner will be acorn squash. I already mashed it. Little peel from the acorn. There we go. With Hamburg or ground beef. And I'm going to mash it together and make a couple mini pies. Let's see how that works out. So I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter. Then I'm going to try to do the egg with the one hand. Oh, I did it. Spectacular! Spectacular! No shells? Oh, one little tiny shell. One little tiny shell. Get out of there. I don't want you on my... There. Is it gone? Yeah, it's gone. Okay. Shell's out. It's a beautiful morning. Well, kinda. Kinda muggy out. Okay. Now I'm going to add some of the ground beef. I'm not going to use it all. Well, actually, I'm going to wait. I'm just going with the fly. This is a concoction I'm inventing here. I just didn't want to eat just acorn squash. I want to make it in a different form, different flavor. So these are dehydrated onions. Pepper. Where's my salt? I just had my salt. Where did that go? Okay, I found it. It was in the cupboard. And now some Desjardins. My sister bought me this a couple of weeks back. It's pretty good stuff. And I'm going to mash that now. Mash it all up. Mix it up all in the same bowl. Ew. Well, there's that shell. I guess I didn't get it. But now I did! Ha ha! No more shells. So this is going to be for Jay's supper tonight. He's going to eat it at work. Bring it to my mom, heat it up, and then... because he's on the road. So people are probably wondering, how does he eat it? How does he eat it when he's on the road? Well, he stops at my mom's. And he warms it up in the microwave. Or some things he doesn't mind eating cold. He's that kind of guy. Now I'm going to mash it with my fork. And I'm mashing this cold. I didn't melt the butter because I want chunks of butter to be everywhere inside here. It can melt when it goes in the oven. That's good consistency. Okay, so I fished through the Thai stir fry. Got all the peppers and some onions and mushrooms and carrots. I didn't really want these. I have a hard time digesting wax beans. So, and I took away that. That's all they have for corn in the whole bag. But I'm keeping that for another recipe for this afternoon. But for now, let's scoop in this into this. Wow, I just had enough, guys. Just enough. So I'm going to flatten that out and then add the Hamburg. So, what do you guys call it? Do you call it ground beef or do you call it Hamburg? I usually call it Hamburg because I guess, I don't know, it's something I was raised with. So now, just leave a comment below. Let me know. I'm curious to see what you people call it. Breakfast is simple this morning. English muffin and a scrambled egg. Well, not scrambled, but not dippy egg. I can't remember the word. Let me think here. Sunny side up? Sunny side up. Is it sunny side up?
That's what you like.
That's the dippy egg.
Yeah.
What's the one where you flip it?
Easy over.
Easy over?
Yeah.
Okay, easy over. God, I swear my brain doesn't work in the morning. 2 beautiful eggs fried in the frying pan for breakfast this morning. A bit of mayonnaise on my bread, a little bit of mayonnaise on my bread, a little bit of mayonnaise on my bread, a little bit of mayonnaise on my bread. Just like that, breakfast is served. Let's have the nice romantic breakfast. Light the candle. And there we go. Breakfast for 2. I really don't like the whole wheat selection English muffin. It tastes too whole wheaty, you know what I mean? Like it's got a smell to it. I'd rather the Dempster one. Never buying the selection one again. Usually I love selection products, but gotta do what I gotta do today. I'll eat it. What can I do, right? There it is, mes amis. Acorn Squash mini pies. Let me zoom in there. They look good. They smell delicious. So I'm eating this tonight. Jay's eating it tonight for work. So you'll see me at the end of the video eating it, but Jay won't be around. So we're going to get 2 each. It's going to be a great meal. I can feel it now. I can taste it now. Now that breakfast is done, I'm going to make Jay's dinner. I'm going to put it in his lunchbox because he won't be here tonight. So ice pack 2 of those little acorn pies that I made this morning. Carrot sticks. One of these oatmeal squares that I made. And 2 coconut cookies. So that's the snacks and dinner for tonight. And that's dinner. Oh yeah. Jay's going to have a banana for a snack later with some oat dream for a drink. I don't know what this tastes like. I'm scared. Just like the other one because it sounds really thick. We'll see. That's for the afternoon snack. Lunchtime, lunchtime, la 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 la, lunchtime. Okay, I had so many ideas today. I was going to make sushi rolls with the rice, the chicken, you know, and some carrots. And guess what? I don't have the seaweed wrap, so I can't do it. So I decided I'm going to make chicken fried rice. Then I was like, nah, not chicken fried rice. So I'm coming up with something else. And this is what I'm going to be making today. I'm going to be cutting up some onions. And I'm going to fry them in the frying pan with some butter. Butter. Let's see if you can see me better. Right there. I have 2 chicken thighs. I took them apart. It's going to go in there too. I got some tomatoes. Canned tomato. I'm going to use a little bit of that. I got my rice from this morning. And I don't know what else I'm going to put in there yet. Anyhow, let's get the butter in the frying pan. Just a dab. I cut my onions. And I didn't even cry. And you know what? I've been cutting onions all week and haven't cried once. These are great onions. Look at that pool of butter. Let's add my onions. Try to do this with one hand. Mission accomplished. Done. Get my magic spoon out. Stir it. Okay, I think I'm going to call these my raging volcanoes. Okay, so I took the rice, split it in half. Hands are clean, so now I'm just going to shape it like a volcano. Middle of the plate. Same with Jay's. Actually, I should wet my hands. You wet your hands, the rice doesn't stick that way. Just a little bit to make your hands somewhat glossy with water. And then you just shape it. See, it doesn't stick to your hands, but you're able to work with it. There. Do that again. A little bit of water on my hands. Glossy. Not soaked, glossy. Okay. And this one, there. Glossy hands. And put your thumb and push down a little bit. I'm just making this up, guys. This is something I've never done before. It's something I've never seen before. It's just I'm trying to be creative here. And there's the volcanoes. Not too fancy. So now I'm going to take the tomatoes and put it in the cup. Like this. Halfway would be good enough, I think. I don't want too much juice, but there we go. Put that much. Rest will be for another recipe. Just going to put these chicken chunks in the middle. I'm going to puree this with some maple bacon. And some cilantro. Okay. Just a little bit. And let's put that in the blender. And that's done. Now we're going to take this and just pour it on like a volcano. Oops. There we go. And I'm going to put that in the microwave for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Make it scorching hot. Look at this nice scorching volcano. So now, mine's coming out in a minute. So I'm just going to put caramelized eggs on top. Eggs. Again, these caramelized onions on top. And to top it off, to make it extra hot and spicy. It's not too spicy, but a little bit of Frank's red hot sauce. There's my volcanoes. There's my lunch. There's Jay's lunch. Nice bed of rice with a sauce, chicken, and glazed onions. Well, fried up onions. Oh, and hot sauce. It's going to be hot. Very hot. Oh, yum. That chicken. Ooh, little spice there. Little volcano spice. Look at that. King Kong just destroyed the volcano. Mm. Mm. What's going on? What are you eating?
Volcano.
And what do you think of the volcano?
It's pretty good. I like the chicken in it too.
Yeah? Is it spicy enough?
Yep.
Perfect. And there you go. Day 4 lunch. Okay, so I'm going to try this Oat Dream that I got at Dollar Tree for 25 cents. Still good till November 2nd. It hasn't been open yet. Shake it real good. Oh, I'm just going to take a little glass because it's going to be for my snack. To go with my banana. Let's see. Put that over here. Doesn't have a smell. Let's see what the texture is like. Okay. I'm going to try it. This is Oat Dream. Original. Alright. Oh, it's sweet. This is good, Jay. I like it. It's like when you eat cereal and the milk's sweet. That's what it tastes like. Interesting. It's going to go with my snack today with my banana then. Jay's going to have some too. I'm sure he's going to like it. Okay, try it. Try it. Tastes like cereal milk. When you eat Fruit Loops or something, right?
Well, it doesn't taste like Fruit Loops.
No,
Not that bad.
but it's got that sweet flavor to it. Not bad?
Not bad.
Okay, here's your banana.
Cheers.
You know those oatmeal squares that I made a couple days ago for snacks? Well, they're all gone. They were that good. So I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm not going to use the carrots. I'm just going to use the Oat Dream. A little bit of the marmalade orange. Cinnamon. This. Oh, I have to use an egg. I need eggs for the last day. And a couple other days. I'll have to find a substitute. So for now, I put a little bit of butter in there, and I'm going to chop that up and mix that in. A little bit of cinnamon. A scoop of the marmalade. A little bit of Oat Dream. A little bit of sea salt. Oh my god. This Oat Dream, because it has a sweet flavor to it, you don't need sugar. It tastes better than the other batch I made. Oh, this is great. I'm going to do it without the egg though, guys. I don't have egg. I just have egg for my next recipe or my next morning, so. You want to see something stupid I was just about to do? This was going to be a big boo-boo. I was going to do this and put it in the oven. Yeah. Holy cow. And no, I'm not drinking. And no, I'm not on anything. Jeez. Okay, time for dinner. That's the acorn pie that I made earlier today. Let's try this out. Ooh, hot. Mmm. Mmm. It's very nice and airy, I guess I would call it. Mmm. 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 Great flavor. Great flavor. And if you have no teeth, you could eat this. No problemo. Not that I don't have teeth. I got all my teeth, but anyways, that's all I got done today. Had some great meals. I'm quite impressed. And tomorrow it's day 5 already. So stay tuned to tomorrow. And keep watching. Subscribe. Make comments. And let me know what you think of today's episode. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.